this side of the esophagus. As we said, it's a part of the alimentary canal, have 4 layers: mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa, and serosa, usually at the area where the esophagus passes through the neck, and instead of the serosa will have the tunica adventitia, whereas when the esophagus will be in the area of the thoracic or abdominal, the wall will have a serous layer, will acquire a serous layer, which is a simple squamous epithelium. As you can see here, this is the surface lining epithelium, the inner surface, and outer side is the covering. If we increase the magnification, you can see here the type of the epithelium and keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. This area here, this is the area of the lamina propria, and we can see here we have the muscularis mucosa, and at the area here, just below the muscularis mucosa to the level of the muscularis externa, this area is called the submucosal layer, and usually it contains the esophageal gland, which is again mucus gland, and at the area here we have muscularis externa. We have 2 layers. Usually they are skeletal muscle. In the ruminant and carnivorous, as we said, from the beginning to the end of the esophagus will be skeletal muscle, whereas in the other animal species, as I said, approximately about 4/5 of the esophagus, the upper 4/5, will be skeletal muscle, and the last fifth will be smooth muscle. So if we increase the magnification, this is the epithelium, the thin keratinized, the lamina propria, muscularis mucosa, see here all smooth muscle, the muscularis mucosa, which separates the tunica mucosa from the tunica submucosa. And as I said in the lecture, the gland only found in 2 areas, in the submucosa and the esophagus, also other organ, the duodenum or the duodenum. It's arteriole, there's a lot of blood capillaries, venule, this is the muscle, the nucleus found in the periphery, again, and outer side, the layer of the serosa, this is the epithelium, the simple squamous epithelium. Two layers, inner circular and outer longitudinal.